Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to turn off search the web results in Windows 11. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, in the search box type now here is a web results. So how can turn off it? Let's get started. So first of all, in the search box type a registry editor. Open a registry editor, right click run as administrator. After that, select a HKey current user and expand it. Select a software and expand it. Select a policies and expand it. Select a Microsoft and expand it. Select a Windows and right click, click on new key and set a new key name is Explorer. E is a capital. Select a Explorer, right click new and select a dword 32-bit value and set a name is disable search box suggestions. This D is a capital, S is a capital, B is a capital and S is a capital. So type a disable search box suggestions, double click open it and set a value data is 1 and click on OK button. After that, close the registry editor and restart your computer. After restarting your computer, go to your search box and search anything. Now you can see that a web result is off. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.